Okay, so I'm getting ready to go and fill up my BMW location. So I'm in here where I have my room stocked in here, my guest room, and I have a list here of the things that I need from my BMW location, and I got this list from my air vent system. It tells me everything that's out, so I'm getting ready to go and fill this stuff up. I'm going to use this cooler right here, and I'm going to fill it up with everything I need and make it that much more simple. That way I'm in and out. So I have my snacks over here, I have my drinks here, and then some of my bulk candy products here. Okay, I already loaded up all the snacks. Now I'm getting ready to load up the drinks. And for those who want to know how much the gas costs, I'm going to give it to you right here. Before I even get where I'm going, I'm going to fill it up all the way. And my truck was completely on empty. And I'm gonna give you a shot at the price of the gas. And just to show you, I got a full tank, all the way full. Okay guys, I'm pulling up to my BMW dealership location. Okay, I'm getting all my stuff set up here. And I'm walking up to the machine. And you can see there are a lot of things that are out. Let me get another angle because the light in the background kind of takes away. There we go. Okay. So there are quite a few things that are out here. And we're just working our way down. And some of the sodas are down too. Some of the drinks are down. And the reason I don't have the average drinks in here, like Coke, Pepsi, regular Mountain Dew, Sprite, is because they actually give them away here at the dealership. Plus, there's another machine over here that I'm in competition with at this location. But everybody always tells me this machine takes money. And they have all the average drinks, so I'm going along with some of the other ones. So now let's open up here and see what we have. Get down here and twist this thing over. Now let's see what we have over here in the acceptor. Okay, here we go. Oh, we got a 5 in there. That's okay. And we got a couple dimes over here, so change is falling. Okay, remember when you're filling these up, take the bag, flip it upside down where all the product will fall to the top. Then you turn it back over. And then you place it in here this way with the air part on the bottom here so it doesn't get stuck. And make sure it's on the inside of the coil. And it's usually a good idea to start from the back and work your way forward. Okay, I have the top row filled, the second row filled, and now time to fill up the last row. This thing is completely empty. Okay, I got the Gatorades filled up, the Yoo-Hoo's filled up. Now the Diet Mountain Dews, I'm probably gonna let those run out. And these energy drinks, I'm gonna let them run out and I'm gonna switch them out. Okay, it's all filled up now. And I'm out of here. Time to lock it up and take off. Pulling into my apartment complex location to go and see what we have over here. Okay, and since these are so close together, my BMW and my apartment, I'm just gonna check this out on my way back home. Okay. Pop this open. Okay. So we got a little something there, and then we take this box and we click it back in. There we go. All right. And nothing's sold out over here. Things move kind of slow. The things that move the most here are the drinks. So what I've been contemplating lately is actually just taking this out of here and putting a soda machine in here and moving this to a better location. So you might see me do that here shortly. Let me check this out too. I got some change in here. Let's take this change out too. And I'm gonna pour this in. And that thing is full. Okay, I'm coming in to check this machine. I want to see what we have. All right, change. Get stuck in there sometimes. Okay, let's try it again. And I'm out of here. All right, so the total after 7 days in my BMW location was $54.25. So there was $24 cash and there was $30.25 on the credit card reader. At the apartment, it was $45.50, $18 was cash, and $27.50 was in change. And then at my car garage, it was $44, $17 was cash, and $27 was in change. Okay, so the total was $143.75. After my expenses, it came to $95.83, and I also have to deduct taxes. So after taxes, it comes to a total of $78.58. But, you know, at the end of the year, you can get write-offs for taxes based on all types of expenses in your business. So some of that will go back up. But for those 3 machines, not bad. A total of nearly $80 for the week. But I'm going to have to rearrange some of the prices that the guy has because that location should be doing a lot better. I don't think he has his prices marked right. So I'm going to have to adjust a few things. It's going to be difficult to raise the price on the items that are already in there. So I'm just going to have to change a lot of things out. That way I can really mark my prices up. This guy really didn't have his prices set right. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, leave me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. That way you can get instant notifications every time I upload new videos. Until then, I'll see you next time I make another video.